Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media and do all of that. Okay. Oh yeah guys, I done my nails, but my hands are kind of crusty right now because I've been using water. I'm about to wash my face. But aren't they so cute? Shout out to Rania for doing them. So let's wash my face because I have a lot to do today. Kind of really, yeah. I want to make this closet and change it into something that actually makes sense because I hate it right now. I was originally gonna there's this viral one on TikTok where you turn bookshelves into like a nice closet. It would have been nice for sure, but I don't know how much I could fit in it because, you know, space and everything. So instead I found something on Shein and I want to see how it's gonna turn out. So let's do this. Finally I see your face. Oh my days.
rock with? Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. You know I'm party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's the least I'ma do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Ooh. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Oh, baby. Can you feel me, baby? Baby. Can you feel me, baby?
Yo, I usually never use brushes for my makeup. It's usually just like a beauty blender. But I recently just bought brushes because I want to stop using just a beauty blender. You know, now I'm getting into it because like I do like a very minimalistic makeup look, and so I feel like maybe the right product would make it look better. Yeah, I meant to charge my so I used them last time, like on Friday, on Saturday. That's why they kind of dirty, but that was the first time using them. I meant to charge my mic, but I was too lazy to get out of bed because I remembered at like 12 a.m. Maybe like 1 a.m. and I was like, no, I'm not getting out of bed. So, and I feel like it would have been good for today's vlog. So if I'm using the wrong brushes, you'll know why. And if I'm using the wrong, like, if I'm blending incorrectly, y'all know why. But I also just realized that putting on makeup feels like painting, and you guys know I love painting. It feels like painting because you literally just using brushes and like, you know, making yourself look good. Okay, I have to go soon. The weird thing about me is I don't really like my makeup on my cheeks. Blush on my cheeks. I feel like it makes my cheeks look bigger. So that's why I rather put it here on this side. And you'll know I just only started getting into blush, so I don't really be using it like that. Also, I don't really like baking. I just like applying the powder on, messing it with the baking stuff. I feel like I'm gonna make mistakes because I'm looking at myself on my phone instead of in the mirror. You know what? I need to remember to buy a memory card for my camera because I can't be suffering like this all the time. All the time, I'm suffering. I need a proper technique to do this because I never do it right. Ever. I think it ends up just being like a weird line. And literally like a career for most of Americans.
It is like bakira dental, bakira life insurance. Motate ngela complain la gore o batla tšhelete because
I'm trying to vlog for YouTube because I'm trying to be a
girl, where have you been?
That cauliflower looks so yellow.
I can't even remember the words. I said, how are we going to talk about the compensator? Because to learn how to do a photography at a school is expensive, sir. And it's a Kamsa as well. So
All because I asked him to take pictures of me. Wowza.
economy is $76.
Let me see. One series amigos though, they look confused. They got
So